So what is up, guys? So this is again MharsV. So before that, this is rated SPG. So today, this is the summertime Saga 16.1. So I will give you the full data save file of this game. So then, I'm sorry if I uploaded late because I'm busy from the school. So if you're new in here, my channel, please subscribe me. Then like this video if you want this video. Yes, I'm not forcing you to subscribe this channel, then like this video if you don't want. Yes, that's right. So we will proceed to there.
Baby, I want you to know.
So now I'm 18 years old. Yes, I'm 19 years old already. Yes. So then we'll go to load game. So before that, we will go back. So as you can see, this is 0.16.1 change log. So that is the evidence that we are having this summertime saga in 16.1. Yes, so we'll go to load game. Then in this we'll click 02. Then so we'll go to 09. Yes, in this part that is 09. August 6, 15, 12. That is 3 o'clock in 12 minutes. Yes, so we'll click that. So we are here already. Our room. So in this 16.1, if you go in this room, the map is not visible. If you go to the room, in your room, your map is visible. So we'll go out. Yes, it's not visible. So we'll go here again, our room. Yes, so we'll go to Roxy's mom to let you see the evidence that we are having this 16.1. Yes, so we'll go to this container. We'll go inside. So as you can see, the map is not visible again. Yes, so that's right. This is Roxy's mom. Yes, so we'll click on her. This is the question, guys. Our character asking for Roxy's mom. Where's Roxy? Are you happy to be home? Roxy's dad. Wiki, I should go. So I will let you explore this game. So this moment. Yes. But also the game, I will let you explore. So I'll just give the data file and the evidence that I can show you that I finished this. Yes, so some quickie. So that is it, guys, that I show you the evidence that I finished the 16.1. So we're afternoon already, so we put the garden. So we'll go back to the thrillers part. We'll go inside. This is the Roxy's dad, and we'll go inside. So the moment Roxy is not here already, she go out. Then we'll go to Roxy. So that is it. We'll click on Roxy. So that is it, guys. If you click Roxy, that is it. I'll let you explore it. So what's up with Clyde? Hang out. I should go. Yes, so I'll let you explore that. Explore. I'll just give you the save data file of this game. So thank me if the file is working. Then go back here if the file is not working. So thank you for watching this video of mine. Yes. So this is 16.1. Yes. So please support me in my gaming, yes, or what. So like this video, then subscribe me if you want. So I'm not forcing you to subscribe and like this video. Yes. So shout out to my washers out there. And so thank you again. Good luck and enjoy playing. Thank you.